Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. So, this is Coach Eliza Fresno, also known as Coach A. Sige, kamusta? Kamusta? So, happy morning to each and every one of you. So, it's already 10:09 a.m. Yan. Sige, so, we'll be discussing pagbi-business na nasa bahay. So, hello sa inyo lahat. So, sa mga nanonood right now, feel free to comment in this FB Live kung saan kayo nanonood right now, be it na nasa abroad man kayo or nasa Philippines man kayo, sa ang province kayo right now nanonood ng FB Live na to. So, feel free to comment in this FB Live. So, mabati ko kayo also. So, again, this is Coach Eliza Fresno, also known as or AKA Coach A. And so discuss natin, no? Topic ko for the day, I want to have an additional source of income. Kaya lang, my problem is, ayokong lumabas ng bahay, ayokong iwanan yung anak ko, gusto kong gawin siya na nasa bahay lang ako, na hindi ako aalis. Okay? Can I do it na online lang or nasa bahay lang ako? Hello kay Coach Ana Santos. How are you? Kamusta? So, I've watched your FB Live, no, your webinar last night. Hello kay Day Janice Malyari Ubal, kay Teen Flores Doncillo. Ayan. So, hello sa inyong lahat. Sige, so just comment in this FB Live lang kung saan kayo nanonood right now. And mayang konti, we will start, no? Yung with regards dito sa discussion natin, dito sa topic ko right now. Power na power. Yes, power, Coach Ana. Yan. Sige. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no? Kung saan man kayo right now, around the globe. Ngayon na ulit ako nakapag-FB Live. Sige. So, take advantage natin itong araw na to kasi medyo pumped up lang ng konti. Medyo no? Okay. Wait lang. Sige. Okay. Start. Ayan. Hello kay Teen Flores Doncillo, kay Con Pascual, kay Coach Ana ulit, kay Larry Obkia Lucero. Good morning, Coach. I'm watching in Riyadh. Sige. So, si Larry daw is watching from Riyadh. Sige. So right now, na topic ko, I want to have an additional source of income. Is it possible to have a business po ba at magawa ito nang nasa bahay lang ako? Hindi ko na kailangan umalis pa ng bahay. Gusto ko kasi matutukan yung anak ko or you want to become a stay-at-home mom ka, maging full-time mom pa din, and then at the same time, you are earning an income while at home. And before we start, no, with regarding dyan sa matter na yan, of course, nowadays, no, sa mga panahon na ito, it's a must, no, na meron kang additional source of income. Okay? For example, you are working, minsan you are working na nga, sabihin natin, malaki yung earnings mo dyan or malaki yung salary mo, but it's not enough pa din at the end of the day, no? So hindi pa rin enough sa mga bills pa lang, no? Kuryente, tubig, what else pa, yung mga necessities nyo sa bahay and so on. Okay, so kala mo laki ng salary mo, pero pagdating ng due date na si Judith, okay? Pagdating ni Judith, ubos lahat, no? So it's a must for each and every one of us, mapa-OFW ka, nasa bahay ka, or tambay ka man, or you are working, employee ka, it's a must na meron kang additional source of income. Okay? Para kung halimbawa man na hindi nga sapat yung salary mo per month and so on, or wala kang savings, no, meron pa rin ikaw na mahuhugot anytime. Okay, so before we proceed, hello kay Cesar Completo Demeterio Jr. Ayan, kay Night Fox de Busa, si Teen watching from Laguna. Hello sa mga nasa Laguna. Ayan, sige, diba? So, it's very important na meron kang additional source of income. So right now, sasagutin natin yung mga questions na yan and yung mga myth, no, nung iba na kapag nasa bahay ka, naku, napaka-imposible na mag-business ka. At hindi mo pwedeng magawa na nasa bahay ka, nag-negosyo ka. Okay? Kapag may business ka, kailangan tatao ka. Yan, kailangan nandyan ka or kailangan andun yung full attention mo sa negosyo mo and so on. Okay? So, i-address natin yung mga bagay-bagay na yan, and itatakal natin also yung mga things that you should consider kapag ikaw is mag-indulge na or papasok ka sa isang business or sa isang negosyo. Okay? So, ngayon, start natin, no? Anyway, hello sa inyong lahat. So again, this is Coach Eliza Presno, aka Coach A. Yan. Sige, mas kilala ako as Coach A. I don't know kung sino nagpasimula ng Coach A na yan. Okay, pero Coach A. Sige, hello kay Coach Lakay. Ayan. So, with regards to my topic, okay, my topic, di ba? I want to have an additional income. Okay, mostly sa mga nasa bahay, mostly sa mga gustong magkaroon ng source of income or yung mga wala pang trabaho, they are looking for something na paano kaya ako magkakaroon ng income? Okay, paano kaya ako magkakaroon ng source of income ko? Kahit part-time lang yan, okay? Paano kaya? Okay? Possible ba na magawa ko na kumita na nasa bahay lang ako? Ang dami ko nakikita na kumikita sila, nasa bahay lang sila, yung iba tulog, no? Pagising, kumita, no? Okay, so, yes, okay? So, to answer that question, yes, kahit nasa bahay ka, okay, pwede ka po magkaroon ng additional source of income, okay? Pwede ka magkaroon ng negosyo, even nasa bahay ka lang, okay? Yun yung mga pag-uusapan natin right now. Hello kay Night Fox de Busa. Yan, si Coach Lakay. Good morning, Coach. Gusto ko matuto. Ayan, sige. So, let's learn, no? Okay, so, akala nung iba, no, kapag ikaw is nasa bahay lang, ako, for example, like me, nung ako is nag-resign sa work ko, year 2016, no, ng August, nandanda ko pa, no? So, year 2016 August, sabi ko, ang hirap naman ito. Gusto ko na additional source of income, pero how? Okay, so, what I'm looking for, no, nung time na yon, nung nag-resign na ako as a nurse, nung year 2016, is mga online jobs. Ang alam ko lang, what you can do, trabaho pa din. Okay? Trabaho pa din ang pwede mong magawa via online. So, I'm looking for online jobs. I'm looking for mga, pwede ka maging tutor. Ganon. Yun yung mga hinahanap ko noon. And ang alam ko, hindi ka pwede mag-online business. And when it comes to online business, ang lagi ko naiisip is online business na ako ay nasa bahay. Kasi nga, business na nasa bahay ka. So, anong business yung gagawin mo nasa bahay ka? Okay? So, online. No? So, online business, when it comes to mind, no, na sa isip ko, naisip ko, online business, is it scam? Yun agad yung iniisip ko noon. So sabi ko, hindi, ayoko na mga ganyan, na mga terminologies, no? Online business, etc., etc. So sabi ko, kung magbe-business ako, traditional one yun, hindi yung mga online or hindi yung kalokohan. Sabi ko, kalokohan, yung kikita ka na sa bahay ka lang and you have your business na nasa bahay ka lang, natulog. Yun yung sa akin nun, thinking ko nun. So, hanggang sa fast-paced natin, no? Out of nag-research ka, nagbasa-basa ka, hanggang may mga na-orient ka na, and sa kakabasa mo ng mga articles, mga blogs about businesses and so on, no? Doon na-realize mo na na-educate ka eh. Okay? Na-educate ka dun sa mga nabasa mo and all. No? Na, ay, hindi pala porke business is traditional agad yun. No? Na kapag magbi-business ako, kailangan may malaki akong kapital, kailangan be it na parang bigasan yan, tindahan yan, or malaking establishment, and etc. Hindi pala ganun. Okay? You can have a business even ikaw is nasa bahay. So ngayon nga, di ba, nowadays, sa mga panahon na ito, patok na patok yung mga nag-online business. Okay? Online business, be it na nagbebenta online, no, ng mga products and so on. So napakadami na naglalabasan right now. But, syempre, okay, to answer my topic na pwede ka ba mag-business at magawa ito na nasa bahay lang? Yes, of course. No? You can do a business and you can have a business even while at home. Pero, things that you should consider, once ikaw is mag-i-indulge na or papasok ka na sa isang negosyo and you want to start a business, of course, number one, yung iba gusto nila magnegosyo pero ang tanong nila agad, may kapital ba yan? May bayad ba? Okay? May bayad ba? Magkano? Okay? Baka laki-laki naman yan. Naku, ang laki. Hindi ko kaya. Ayoko mag-online, ayoko mag-business ng ganyan. Pwede, gusto ko yung ano lang, pwede ba yung libre? Try ko muna. Okay, so, nowadays, ganito, no, FYI lang, for those of you, kung ikaw ay gusto mong magnegosyo, ano mang negosyo yan, be it na traditional one or online man, okay, you really need to have a capital, no? Okay? Pero syempre, may capital na malaki, may capital na maliit, no? Pero sa pagnenegosyo, wag natin kakalimutan na merong recurring expenses or meron ka talagang ilalabas eh. Okay? Kasi magbi-business ka, gusto mo mag-business, pero ayaw mo maglabas ng pera. How come? Okay? Di ba nga? Tindahan nga, magtayo kang tindahan eh. Pero kung wala kang pang-finance dyan or pambili ng mga products na ibebenta mo dyan sa tindahan mo, what will happen? Okay? Nakatenga lang ang tindahan mo. Even yung mga what? Okay? Yung mga nagfi-fish balls and so on. Di ba? So kung hindi sila magfi-finance, no? Or bibili ng mga raw na fish balls na iluluto nila and so on. Paano sila kikita? Okay? Paano sila tutubo? And so on. So, same goes with online businesses. Okay? So, hindi ka pwedeng magnegosyo na ayaw mong maglabas ng pera. Okay? So, before we proceed, hello kay Sis Mary Louise Agustin, hello po sa inyo kay Tita Gels, Jemeline Braza, good day, I'm coach watching here in Taiwan. Hello sa mga nasa Taiwan, nating partners. Hello kay Erwin, kay, ayan, hi coach, good morning din sa'yo. Si Lizelle Florendo, morning din sa'yo. Si Jane Saturnino, si Martin, si Jane watching from Hong Kong. No? Ayan, alam ko, pauwi na to si Jane eh. Yan. So, take care, and ingat sa pag-uwi ng Pinas. Si Christian Martin Eburlas, hello din sa'yo. And si Myra, si Roel Gamido, si Revolving Capital. Ayan, hello kay Daphne, kay Joy, kay Leigh Santos. Ayan, so, mabalik tayo, no? So, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok sa pagnenegosyo, be it na online ito, kung wala kayo lalabas na pera. Okay? So, yun yung karaniwan na ano. Okay? Gusto kong magnegosyo, pero kapag nalaman kong merong ilalabas na pera, ayoko. Okay? Hindi na ako interesado. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun na nangyayari. But, we will discuss also yung mga pwede mong maging additional source of income na kahit wag ka maglabas ng money is you can earn. Okay? So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung saan kayo pwede magpunta na site wherein kahit wala kayo no, na pang fund or wala kayong pang capital and so on, makakapag-start ka right away. And you can have at least no, extra income, okay? If okay na sa'yo na kumita ng mga extra lang talaga, as in additional income lang talaga. Yun nga lang, of course, no, disclaimers, once ikaw is pumasok sa mga free platforms na ito, you've got to take note and you've got to understand business yung papasukin mo. So once business ang pinasok mo, it needs to be worked out. Okay? Walang negosyo, libre man or may bayad man yung pagpasok dyan or pagsisimula dyan is kinabukasan or 1 day, 2 days, meron ka na earnings right away. Okay? Ang business no, is tinatrabaho, work out. Kailangan mong mag-invest ng time, okay, para dyan. Okay? So things that you should consider once ikaw ay gusto mo magnegosyo. 1, sabihin natin you are working right now. Okay? You are working, busy-busy ka sa trabaho. So, dapat may saalang-alang in life, of course, is nagtatrabaho ako 8 hours, 12 hours a day. Can I allot at least 1 to 2 hours ba kapag ako ay magbi-business or papasok ako sa isang negosyo? Okay, kaya ko ba? Okay, makakapag-commit ba ako? Okay, i-commit ko ba? Kasi hindi pwede yung interesado ka lang na mag-business pero you don't have the commitment. Kailangan natin dito, kapag ikaw is nagnegosyo, meron kang commitment. Okay? So, kung ikaw is interesado lang pero you don't have commitments, no? Hindi mo may commit sa sarili mo, hindi mo matulungan sa sarili mo na makapag-commit ka. Okay? So, business is not good for you. Okay? Pwede kang malugi, pwede kang hindi kumita, pwede kang hindi magkaroon ng resulta. Okay? That's it. So, things that you should consider, of course, is time. Can you allot at least 1 to 2 hours daily? No? If you're working, no? Pwede ka ba makapag-allot 1 to 2 hours? Okay? If your answer is yes, no? 1 to 2 hours lang eh. And nasa sa'yo, preferred time mo, okay? Then you're good to go. So check tayo sa number 1 that you need to consider, di ba? So you can allot time. Kaya ko, coach, kaya kong mag-allot ng 1 to 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours na naman pala eh. Okay? Then good. Okay, that's great. Second that you need to commit, no, is ikaw ba pag nagnegosyo ka? Willing ka ba na matutunan yung kailangan mong tutunan? Okay? Willing ka bang maging knowledgeable? Willing ka bang i-educate yung sarili mo? Of course, kapag nasa negosyo ka, kailangan updated lahat ng learnings mo eh. Okay? Especially nowadays, yung mga businesses na hindi pa na-online. Okay? Yung mga businesses na sabihin natin, ayun na, naiwanan na. Okay? Yung mga negosyo nila, hindi pa nila ine-expose online. Like for example, no, si Toys R Us ba yun? Okay? Toys R Us, di ba? So, ang chismis, that's why biglang nagsara yan. It's because yung marketers nila, hindi nila niyakap, no? Hindi nila in-embrace yung pag-market online. Okay? So what happened? No, nag-close yung Toys R Us. So what happened? Mas mga nagbo-boom right now yung mga e-commerce, no, na platforms like Lazada, Amazon. Doon na bumibili ng mga toys, no? Doon na bumibili ng mga kung ano-anong mga toys for kids right now. So yung iba hindi na rin pumupunta sa mismong SM kasi nga hassle pa. So hindi nila in-indulge or hindi nila niyakap, no, yung pag-update, no, ng marketing strat nowadays. Okay? So ikaw ba, handa ka bang matuto? Handa ka bang i-educate para ma-scale up mo ang negosyo mo? And of course, no, your knowledge and pati yung mindset mo. If yes, again, no, if yes again yung naging answer mo, well, okay, that's nice. That's awesome, no? So you can start a business. Okay, so you have time and also you're willing to learn talaga. Okay? Again, it's not necessary that you're willing. Kailangan i-commit mo na talagang willing kang matuto at matututo ka at talagang i-educate mo sarili mo, tutulungan mo sarili mong matuto. Okay? Third, of course, ayan na. Okay? You can allot time. No? Nag-allot ka 1 to 2 hours. And sabi mo, you're willing to learn. Okay, so nag-learn ka, attend ka training, or nood ka ng mga training videos and so on. Nagbasa-basa ka ng mga books and more. No? Nag-explore ka talaga. Okay? Kaya lang, what's lacking? Ano? Okay? Hindi ka naman nagtitake action. Okay? So when it comes to taking action, it's very important, no? Tatlo lang yung commitments na yan. Very, 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 very important. No? Time. What's next? Okay, willingness to learn. Third is taking action. No? Kahit na willing kang matuto na kapag allot ka ng time para matuto ka, pero hindi mo tinitake into action or ini-implement. Ano Tagalog na ini-implement? Okay? Pagsasagawa or hindi mo sinasagawa or hindi mo ginagawa. Okay? Hindi mo ini-implement no, yung mga natutunan mo. Okay? Sa inallot mo na 1 to 2 hours. Having business online, kahit online man yung negosyo mo, that will be nonsense. Okay? So, it's very important. So, kapag meron kanyang tatlo na yan, yes. Okay? You're good to go. No? So, pwede ka makapag-start ng pagbibusiness mo. Okay? So, those are 3 commitments na kailangan nyo na meron kayo. Okay? If you want to start a business. na nasa bahay ka, of course. And right now, before tayo mag-proceed pa ulit, so ano sabi ni Martin? Parang alam ko yan, free platform na yan, okay? Okay, so madami yung mga free platform na yan. So magbibigay ako ng mga free platforms that you can join in, no? Para tawag dito, para makapag-start ka na if ayaw mo talaga maglabas eh. Okay? Ayaw mo maglabas. Ayaw mo maglabas ng capital. Okay? So, hello kay Jane sa Ternino. Coach A, paano ba mag-affiliate ng Lazada? Ayan. So, si Jane, meron na siyang idea, ano? Si Paul, ang business parang pag-aasawa. Yes, ang business parang pag-aasawa, inaalagaan. Okay? At may commitment. Diba? So, si Martin, time commitment, coachable, take action. Si Darwin Roya, hi, Coach Eliza watching here in KSA. Hello sa mga nasa KSA. Hello kay Girly Yumul. Si Night Fox, galing talaga ni Coach. Ay, hindi naman. Okay. Hindi naman po. Si Mylene Valencia Jarze. Okay, so, ngayon, if you have this 3 commitments, no? Okay, I'm going to tell you na yes, okay, meron kang attitude na gusto natin. Okay? Kasi you have the attitude na talagang, alam ko, na magko-commit ka. Okay? Na business. And you want something talaga to happen in your life. Kasi willing kang gawin yung 3. Okay? And willing ka na talagang magkaroon ka ng business. And sabi mo nga, you want to have an additional source of income. But right now, ganito, since diba nowadays, ang dami naglalabasan ng mga businesses that you can do na nasa bahay ka lang. Okay? So, syempre, ang mga dapat naman nating i-consider dito, bago ka mag-join, bago ka mag-enroll, okay? Kung training program man yan, kung talagang join as a member lang yan, and so on, na para makapag-start ka na, or direct reselling, and so on, okay? Kailangan also is, i-consider mo rin, legit ba? Okay? Ayan, legit ba yung negosyo na papasukan ko? Legit ba yung company, and so on. Second, ano ba yung mga products nila? Kaya ko ba? Ano yung mga products nila? Third, of course, your capital. Kung ang jojoinan mo is kailangan talaga maglabas ng capital. But later on, no, again, I will discuss yung sa mga free platforms, sa mga gusto ng libre. Okay? Ayan, sa mga gusto ng libre. Okay, so, what else pa? Products. Of course, kapag ba ako ay nag-join dito sa business na to or sa negosyo na to, may malinaw bang platform? May malinaw ba akong susundan? May malinaw ba akong pagiging step-by-step process na gagawin ko? Kasi kung hindi, ang hirap eh. Of course, diba? Nowadays, ang daming businesses. After mo mag-join, bahala ka na ha. Okay? Alam mo na kung paano magbenta. Ikaw na bahala magbenta dyan. Ikaw na bahala mag-invite. Basta naka-join ka na. Okay? It's not like that. So, kailangan i-consider mo rin yun. May mga dapat ka rin i-consider also. Unless, talagang ikaw is knowledgeable on what to do. Diba? So, hybrid lang. Okay? Alam na yung mga kailangan gawin. No? So, kailangan lang mag-join sa isang business. And also, ikaw, no, as sabi natin, ako, full-time mom. Ano ba yung mga trip ko? Okay? Ano ba yung interests ko? Ano ba yung mga gusto kong gawin? Kasi nowadays, napakadami nating niches. Kaya lang, syempre, kailangan alam natin, anong niche ba nowadays yung patok talaga sa market. Okay? So, you can browse online, you can do a research. Ano ba yung pinaka-patok nowadays? Pero, FI nowadays, ang mga talagang patok is love and relationship, money-making online, what else pa? Health and fitness. That's why, nowadays, yung mga pansin, wow, ang daming sexy, wow, ang daming macho. Okay? So, kasi, no, ang pinasok nilang niche is health and fitness. So, when we say health and fitness, kapag ba ikaw is magbi-business, coach, okay lang ba na general niche, lahat? Okay? Lahat ng niche pasukin ko, yung tipong ganun. Or sabi natin, yung in-offer ko talagang lahatan. Okay? Pwede naman. Okay? For a starter, yes. No? You can promote or you can pumasok sa isang general niche. Parang sari-sari store. No? Tipong ganun. But, syempre, sa negosyo, no, for you to become successful, since nabanggit ko na yung mga patok na patok nowadays na niches, no, in business, pipili ka dyan, pumili ka dyan. It's better that way, that makapili ka. Okay? Ano yung pinaka gusto mo dyan? Okay? Ano yung pinaka napupusuan mo? Is it love and relationship? Do you have what it takes ba na makapag-market na mga ganyan? Okay? And also, health and fitness. Kung sa health and fitness, ikaw ba ay sexy? Okay? or ikaw ba ay maganda? Ikaw ba ay macho? Okay? You have what it takes ba? Okay? Nasa passion mo ba na mag-share ng something about health and fitness? Anyway, hindi lang naman about sa pagiging sexy at about sa pagiging maganda and whatsoever. No? Ang health and fitness, andyan din also yung mga herbal. Okay? You are providing also yung mga, kasi di ba nowadays, napaka-usong-uso kasi, di ba yung mga sakit-sakit, no? Diba? Ang daming mga may sakit nowadays. And to prevent, no? Anyway, kaya natin nilalabas yung mga herbal na mga ganyan, it's because prevention is better than cure. Okay? So as much as possible, okay, we are nag-offer tayo sa market ng mga herbal, mga juices and so on, that they can intake, no, para ma-prevent yung mga illnesses na yan, yung mga diseases na yan, and so on. Okay? So, pipili ka ng niche mo. Okay? Pipili ka lang doon ng niche kung ano ba yung pinaka-preferred mo. Okay? Pero kung ang gusto mo, since starter nga, beginner ka, and so on, general niche will do. Okay? Ngayon, ganito. Di ba, yun mga isa sa alang-alang mo. Capital, if you want to start a business, no? Capital, what else? Legit ba? Okay? Titingnan mo rin also, marami kang kailangan i-consider sa isang negosyo. Ikaw ba, kapag nagpasok ka dito, paano ba yung transaction? Paano ba yung system nito? Yung papasukan ko ba na negosyo, may system ba wherein susundan ko na lang or may step-by-step guide naman na masusundan, even wala ako makausap or talagang totally na nakakausap sa akin is magagawa ko ba siya? Okay? Easy ba? Okay? Easy peasy ba? Okay? So kung gano'n, no, kung lahat ng mga kailangan i-consider is nasasagot na yes, kaya naman, okay? So you can proceed, no? Ipag-ano mo rin. So, for example, ang dami mong businesses na nakaharap sa'yo nowadays or today, no? Ini, mini, mini mo. Okay? So, ipag-compare mo. Ngayon, ganito. Be wise also. Merong businesses na, ay, ang mura. Okay, ito na lang yung sasalihan ko. Okay, or meron na, ay, ang mahal. Pero bakit ganun? Halos same lang naman yung platform and so on. No. Okay? Kapag sinabi natin na, ay, bakit ito mura? Pero halos parang same lang naman sila ng gagawin and so on. Okay? Possible, baka kaya mura, baka nagaya lang no, yung platform or there's something no, na kinakamahal ng isa. Okay? Na ganun. So, things that you should consider. No? And, ayan. Anyway, before we proceed, hello tayo ulit. Okay? So, hello kay Ginaline Alfaro, watching here in Singapore. Hello sa mga nasa Singapore. Si Teresa Ativo, watching from Paranaque. Si Cheryl Fondelar. Good morning din sa iyo. Si Rosalina Botor Lopez. Step-by-step training or instructions. Yes, it's very important, no, sa isang negosyo. Si Jenny Frias Bernardo, si Bernadette Jabson Preconas. No? So, yung things that you should consider. May system ba? Ano ang product nila? How much is the capital to start? What else pa? Kaya ko ba makapag-stand alone pag ako na lang? Na hindi ko kakailanganin ng tulong niya, tulong nito. Okay, madali lang ba? Kasi kapag sinabi natin may step-by-step guide or may instructions na on what to do, and talagang malinaw, no, yung kailangan mo gawin, it's not necessary na mag-rely ka or maging dependent ka dun sa nag-offer sa'yo or dun sa nag-recommend sa'yo ng isang negosyo. Okay? So that's one thing. No, kasi yung iba, ganito, pag ikaw is nag-business, you've got to remember this. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-business na ang mangyayari sa'yo, puro depende. Depende kay Martin, depende kay Rosalina, depende sa kanya. Nakadepende ako sa kanya. Kapag hindi siya nag-reply, sir, ma'am, okay? nag-join na ako sa business na to. I already have the product and so on. Pero paano ko po pa sisimulan? Okay? Ayun na. So, bawat step, no? Tinatanong. Okay? Hirap na hirap. Magalaw. So, again, di ba? Okay, in business, andyan na tayo. For example, yung pinasok mo na negosyo is something like, yun na. Okay, networking, MLM na, sige, you have the product already. Okay, bahala ka na how to, what? Ano, okay, to dispose or paano ka na ibenta, no? Paano mo na ibenta or makapag-invite dyan and more. Okay, so ganun na mangyayari nun. Okay, so kung ikaw is, you don't have what it takes, okay, or hindi ka pa knowledgeable, or you don't know any strategies on how to market to people yet, okay, medyo mahihirapan ka. So same goes also sa isang online business, like for example, yung platform na or business, sabihin natin, business system na affiliate marketing biz, no? Ang platform is, or pinaka parang blueprint is affiliate marketing biz. Okay? Sa affiliate marketing biz kasi, ano dun eh, okay? Everything is ready-made already. Okay? So before we proceed to that, okay, papasok tayo. Alam ko maraming may gusto sa inyo ng libre. So nowadays, di ba, ganito, gusto kong magnegosyo, pero wala ba yung libre lang? Okay. Gusto kong magnegosyo, pero masakit sa bulsa kasi talaga. Kahit na sabihin natin 1,000 lang yan, 600 lang yan, kahit sabihin natin 2,999 lang yan, and so on. Ang sakit sa bulsa. Pwede ba yung free lang? As in, free lang. Sige, sino yung gusto may free dito? Okay? So, ang dami. Actually, if ikaw is gusto mong mag-start ng business and you want to learn, of course, no? May mga free platforms or may mga free, no, na wherein makapag-sign up ka that you can start a business na, or you can start right away na to earn, no, an income. At least, no, pa konti-konti. Okay? Sino yung mga gusto ng free? Sige nga, mag-comment kayo dyan. Okay? Kung sino yung mga gusto ng free. Kasi ang gusto, free, libre, libre, libre. Okay? Sabi naman na ba, mahirap naman sumali sa libre kasi hindi naman nagpe-pay out. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Of course, di ba, kapag ikaw is magjo-join or magsa-sign up ka sa isang free platform, okay, kailangan mo rin i-consider, di ba, again, before ka pumasok sa isang business, legit ba? Okay, yung papasukan mo. Okay? Ayan. Sino gusto ng free? Si Martin, gusto daw niya ng free. Of course, ganito. So for those of you na nasa bahay lang, of course, kung ikaw is nasa bahay, things that you should consider, if you want your business online na magagawa mo anywhere, anytime, no, sa preferred time mo, nasa bahay ka, nasa labas ka, do you have gadget? Okay? Do you live dito kay planet Earth, no? Meron ka bang gadget na nakakapag-internet? Okay? Do you have a cellphone? May tablet ka ba? Do you have a laptop? Do you have a PC at home? No? So, kung meron ka mga gadgets na ganyan, of course, no? You can do a business online for free. Okay? Pwede kang makapag-start ng isang negosyo, makapag-earn ka, even pa konti-konti. Lalo na kung ikaw itambay, sabihin natin, kakagraduate mo lang, ang hirap maghanap ng trabaho. Okay? Pwede kang mag-start ng free, no, for free. For example, nawala ka talaga na may lalabas. Pwede ka makapag-start. So you just have to sign up sa mga platforms na yan na nag-offer, no, ng what? Okay? I'm talking about affiliate programs. Okay? Nowadays, napakadami na pong mga affiliate programs, no? Mga companies na nag-offer ng mga affiliate programs. So, number one, since I'm part of Lazada, okay? Ayan, since I'm part of Lazada, okay? So, i-share ko sa inyo na you can sign up for free, no, kay Lazada. Okay? You can apply as an affiliate, no? And siguro tanong iba, ano yung affiliate program? Ano yan? Okay. Ayan. So, affiliate marketing, no? So affiliate marketing kasi ganito. Affiliate marketing, when you indulge na, for example, ikaw is nag-apply ka as an affiliate of Lazada, Udemy, or iba pang company, no? Amazon, what else pa? Ang dami eh. Okay, many to mention. Okay, so kapag ikaw nag-apply and then na-approve, no, within 24 to 72 hours yung application mo, okay, nasagot mo, ay meron naman akong meron akong website, meron akong page, nagkakaroon ako ng traffic at least 500, okay, or less than 500, no, sa site ko and so on, okay. So approved, no? Okay, tatawagan ka ni Lazada, tatawagan ka ni Amazon, okay, you're good to go. Tapos ibibigay sa instructions and so on. Pero ganito, sa affiliate marketing kasi, okay, sa affiliate marketing, okay, for FYI, sa kaalaman ng lahat, affiliate marketing po is we do business online talaga. So, lahat ng transactions is via online. Okay? Lahat as in online. Payment and fulfillment, no? Payment para dun sa product, fulfillment ng product, and so on. So, yung company, for example nga, si Lazada, no? Si Lazada is an e-commerce company, pero nag-offer siya ng affiliate program. So, what happens is, itong si e-commerce Lazada, they are hiring, no? Nag-hire sila ng mga affiliate marketers that will market yung mga products inside their platform. Okay? So, as an affiliate, okay? So, for example, affiliate ako. Si Lazada bahala sa lahat. Lazada bahala ng tax, si Lazada lahat yung mag-provide ng mga products for you. Si Lazada din lahat yung magta-transact, okay? Nandiyan na rin yung mga how to pay and so on, di ba? May cash on delivery, may credit card, may PayPal, and so on. Siya na lahat yon. Fixed na lahat, okay na lahat, ready-made na lahat, may website na, okay na lahat. As in, ready-made na yung system. Okay? Now, ikaw as an affiliate, for example, si Coach Benny, hello kay Coach Benny. Okay? For example, si Coach Benny, okay, naging affiliate siya nito, okay, ni Lazada. So, in return, for example, si Coach Benny nag-start na siya. So, as an affiliate, since we are doing our business via laptop, cellphone, no, meron kasing website lang or may mga ready-made links na. Okay, or coded yan eh. Okay, yung mga web codes, no, na gagamitin ng mga affiliates para ma-market yung isang product. Okay, yung mga tinatawag nating link generator. Okay? So, kung for example, ang napusuan ko, gusto ko i-promote is mga watches, or gusto ko i-promote itong mga products na to, so, or TV, no, television, isang product lang, just like that, no. Gusto ko itong TV lang na to, itong TV-lition, okay, ng television na to, no, Sony Bravia 37-inch, ganyan. So, ang gagawin ko, I will just deep link, okay? Deep link tawag namin kay Lazada, no? I will just get the deep link, I will just get the link, no? Copy, paste, and then presto, no? Naka-promote na siya. So, ilalagay mo lang, okay, get this Sony Bravia 32 inches for only ganito, ganyan, $12,999. Tapos, sa baba, click below to buy it. Okay? And then, kapag kinlik nila, no? Once kinlik nila yung image na yan, or even the link itself, no? They will be redirected, no? They will be redirected doon sa mismong website or platform ni Lazada. Wherein, mapupunta siya doon sa mismong website ng TV, okay? And then kapag nagustuhan talaga nila, features lahat and all, akong tumitingin ng product na yon since I'm interested na magkaroon ako ng TV sa bahay na malaki, nagustuhan ko. Ako na mismo yung magko-close sa sarili ko. Okay? Ako na mismo yung magko-close sa sarili ko. I want to buy this. Okay? Cash on delivery ang gusto ko, COD. Okay? I will pay it pag dineliver na sa akin yung product. And then presto, you earn a commission. Okay? Ganun lang kadali sa affiliate marketing or affiliate program ng mga different companies. Once someone, or sabihin natin, he or she, no, buy something, no, gamit yung link mo. Okay? as a reward, no, or as a tawag dito, as a way of thanking you ng company for promoting, for advertising a product nila, okay, you will earn a commissions. Ngayon, itong mga commissions na to is iba-iba. Okay? Iba-iba yan. Okay? Be it na may 30%, may 3% lang, may 7% lang, may 4% lang. Depende. Depende sa ipinopromote mo na product. Okay? Pero ganito, ang downside ng mga free platforms, but again, if you want to start for free, no? Downside ng mga free platforms na gaya ng Lazada, Amazon, is, ayun nga, you need to, what? Ipunin yung commissions na yon. You need to generate commissions. You need to generate sales talaga. Okay? Kasi merong certain sales na dapat ma-hit mo. Again, napakaliit lang ng mga commissions na ipinoprovide nila. Okay, parang pinakamalaki na kay Lazada is 7%. Okay? For I think it's gadget, no? Pag mga gadget yung pinopromote mo, 7% yung commission mo doon. So kapag may nabenta, for example, I've promoted an Apple Watch, no, Series 3, ganyan. Okay? I will earn at least 7% commission from it. Ayun. So, ganun na mangyayari. Ngayon, kapag na-hit mo na yung certain sales generated na yon, yung mga commission na yon, okay, ayun, so ipapadala sa'yo direct sa bank. Dati pinapadala via PayPal, but nowadays, since talaga nag-update sila Lazada eh. So, as in nag-update siya, so what happened was, talagang directly na lang sa mismong bank na, hindi na PayPal. Okay, so via bank na siya nagpapadala ng mga payout. Okay? And kagandahan nowadays is talagang recorded eh. Ilan yung nag-order under affiliate link, and then magkano yung na-earn mo doon, and so on. So, ganoon. So, it will take time, no, for you to generate an income sa mga free platforms na ito. Like, sa akin, nung nagsisimula ako, I'm happy. Nung nagsimula ako dito, since, yan nga eh, nung nag-enroll ako or nag-apply ako as an affiliate marketer of Lazada way back 2017 din naman, year 2017. Since medyo knowledgeable na ako, okay, or knowledgeable na ako on how to promote, on how to advertise, on how to market, no? And how to become an affiliate, of course. Okay, andun ako sa edge na, ay, kaya ko, madali lang. Okay? Kasi, I have the knowledge already, no? I'm already educated pagdating sa mga strategies that I can do kung paano ako magpo-promote. Okay? For example, paano ako kumita ng ganyan kalaki kay Lazada? 30,000. Kasi sa first month ko noon is naka-generate ako ng 30,000. Pero may mali ako doon. Kasi pinagalitan ako ng platform. Okay? Ayan, ito pa. Since free platform siya, kailangan as in talaga maging compliant kayo doon sa platform na sasalihan ninyong company. Be it na Amazon yan, or be it na Lazada yan, or Udemy, and more. Okay? So, napagalitan ako ni Lazada. Siguro nagulat sila, ha? Bagong affiliate lang to, pero naka-earn siya ng 30,000 in 1 month. How? Okay, so siguro sa pag-check nila, upon checking, of course, yung page ko, which is LZD affiliate nowadays, no? Yun ang pangalan ng page ko for my Lazada affiliate, no? So LZD. So ang pangalan talaga ng page ko noon, at first nung nag-start ako mag-promote, is talagang Lazada Philippines. Okay? So that's a no-no. Okay? In doing business as an affiliate marketer, no, like sa amin, sa Unity Network, no, you can't use the name Unity Network, okay, para makahatak ka. Mas maraming tumingin sa page mo and so on. So what happened was, downside, happy ako, of course, 30,000 I earned in just 1 month through affiliate marketing kay Lazada. Pero napagalitan nga ako, di ba? So, kinaltasan ako ni Lazada ng 20% doon sa na-earn ko. Okay? Can you imagine that? Sabi ko, pinaghirapan ko yun. Ayun, sabi ko, pinaghirapan ko yun. And yung mismong page mo pa, okay, isa pang kinagalit nila, or isa pang na-violate ko is, hindi ka dapat ma-message. Hindi ka nila dapat ma-contact personally your page. No? Hindi ka nila dapat kailangan ma-contact. Eh, kailangan, be it na ikiklik lang nila yung link na mga nakita nila sa page mo or yung shop now, no, itself, dun sa page mo. That's it. Yun lang. Ganun lang. Okay? Hindi ka pwede makapag-communicate sa mga tao na how to order and so on. Okay? So, yun yung isa. So, buti na lang, mabait sila Salda. So, it's just a warning. And of course, dahil na-violate ka nga, so binawasan ako ng 20%. No? Doon sa 30,000 ko, 30,216, okay? Yung na-earn ko nun, no? Pero binawasan ng 20% because of my violations. And then, right there and then, after ko ma-found out, no, na, ay, na-violate ko daw. Hindi nagbabasa ng terms and policies. Okay? Ayan, so, since very excited ka and you know what to do, yun na yung mga minsan nakakalimutan mo na gawin, terms and policies ng isang company. So, kailangan, no, i-pay attention natin yung mga policies na yan. It's very, very, very important. So, binago ko lahat yon. So, hindi na sila pwede mag-contact sa akin. Yun nga lang, ang pangit lang. Na-change ko na also yung pangalan niya kasi dapat walang name na Lazada na makikita doon sa name ng page mo. And also, doon sa cover photo, dapat talagang personalized nung pagka-create mo nung mga pictures na yan. Kailangan talagang as in, you are acting and talagang you are doing your business as your own. Personal mo. Okay? Para kasing fin-franchise mo siya eh. Okay? You are franchising an e-com one. Di ba? An e-com business na ikaw na yung ikaw na yung nagpo-promote and so on. Aakuin mo na yung si Lazada is yours. Okay? So, make your own brand. Yun nga. Okay? So, ganoon na nangyari. So, kailangan lang talagang mag-ano ka sa terms and policies nila. What else pa yung mga kailangan mo i-consider? Sabi ng iba, ay madali lang pala affiliate marketing kasi copy and paste, ganun lang, post lang sa timeline, tapos na. Okay? And then you will earn commissions na. Ganun lang pala kadali eh. Okay? Kaya pala, alalaki niyo kumita. No. Okay? So before we proceed, no? Hello kay Coach Benny. Si Martin, secretary daw niya. Sige, you may try it. Si Edison Labaco. Coach, ilang percent ng commissions per sales as an affiliate kay Lazada? Depende sa pinopromote mo, no? Parang gadget yung pinakamataas na 7% lang, no, na sales na generate mo. So, for example, yung gadget is worth 12,999. So, kuhanin mo lang 7% nun. Yun yung mapupunta sa'yo. Okay, ganun lang siya. Tapos, si Nelson Olivario. Ayan, si Tita For, si Jezreel. Ayan, sa club daw. Okay, so, sabi nung iba, no, madali lang pala maging affiliate marketer. Okay, ang dali lang naman pala niyan eh, kasi copy and paste lang. And then, you will earn na commission. No, hindi po ganun. Kasi akala ng iba, kapag nakapag-copy and paste ka na, bukas makalawa, meron ka ng na-generate na income. It's not like that. Okay? Marami kang dapat i-consider, no? Again, sa pagiging affiliate marketer. Okay? Madali na lang siya if you know how to drive traffic, of course. Okay? Driving traffic po, yun yung kapag papunta ka ng tao na pupunta or bibisita doon sa website itself. Okay? So, yun nga, yung ginagawa namin ng mga marketers, ng affiliate marketers, we are copying our link, we are using our web codes, no? Yung binigay sa amin ng company, okay, na it's a unique code na kami lang may-ari na. And once na may na-detect yan, na may nag-click dyan, or may nag-visit dyan, may nag-purchase dyan, and so on, okay, we will earn commission, no? So, ngayon, ganito, syempre, sabi natin nag-click, ang dami mong traffic, ang daming pumunta dun sa website mo. Pero bakit di nila nagustuhan? Bakit walang purchase? Diba? Bakit wala ka naging commission? Okay? Bakit wala ako naging commission? It's because you lack something. You lack knowledge. Okay? You lack knowledge on how to drive traffic. Yes. Sabi copy and paste lang. O copy, paste. Okay? Tapos na. Ginawa ko. Okay? In driving traffic, we have different strategies na kailangan natin, alam natin, no, as a marketer. And kahit naman hindi ka nasa affiliate marketing biz, no, kahit nasa traditional one ka, nasa networking ka, MLM, no, you need to have strategies or diskarte. Di ba? Sabi nga, masipag ka man, matyaga ka man, okay? Talagang pero kung wala kang diskarte or strategy and knowledge, wala ka magiging breakthrough. Okay? Wala magiging breakthrough sa negosyo mo kasi kailangan kompleto yan. Okay? Kailangan masipag ka, kailangan matyaga ka, kailangan may strategies ka, and kailangan knowledgeable ka. Okay? Ngayon, if you will enroll or you will apply as an affiliate, no, of those mga companies na nag-offer ng free sign up for our affiliate programs and so on, and you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you don't know how to drive traffic, makapag-advertise or makapag-post, or paano ma-target yung mga tamang tao, or talagang hindi mo alam, no, how to do it, okay, medyo mahihirapan ka. Okay, so doon na papasok yung kaya naman pala free kasi hindi naman pala ako magkakaroon ng payout. Okay. Ayan. So, doon na papasok yung mga ganon scenario. Okay? So, yung mga free platforms na to, of course, di ba kailangan mo isa lang alam? Legit ba sila? Yes, of course, they are legit. Amazon, Lazada, Udemy, ClickBank, and so on. Madami. Pero, hindi porke may nag-click, kikita ka na. Kailangan, yung nag-click na yun at bumisita na sa website or dun sa mismong product, bibilhin niya, no, yung product na yon, okay, na pin-promote mo or in-advertise mo. So, you need to have a knowledge or may learnings ka or talagang alam mo yung strategies on how to do it. Okay? So, napakadaming strategies kasi na pwede mong matutunan. So, kailangan nga, di ba, kapag ikaw is papasok sa isang negosyo, kompleto ka muna eh. Okay? Okay? Or buo ka muna. Kompleto, andun yung foundation mo. Okay? And I am lucky to say na before ako nag-indulge kay Lazada, nung panahong yon, 2017, okay? Also, nag-start din ako as an affiliate of Unity Network 2017. Before ako nag-start doon, is meron na akong knowledge. Okay? Alam ko na. So, lahat ng mga natutunan ko, doon sa isang training program na yon, wherein kay Unity Network nga, in-implement ko siya right away kay Lazada na nag-enroll ako as an affiliate. Kasi talagang ako noon is very action taker. Okay? Action taker na sabi ko, sabi pwede daw ako mag-apply as an affiliate for free sa mga gantong companies. So ako na right there and then, no, research ako ng mga affiliate programs na free, okay, online. And then I tried sending application, no? And then, ayun, I implemented everything I've learned. Okay? Pero pag ikaw is kulang ka ng knowledge on how to do it, okay? I will tell you honestly na mahihirapan ka. Yes, it's free. Pero ang tanong, okay, do you have what it takes? Okay, may knowledge ka na ba on how to do marketing? Okay? Unless, sabihin natin, madali lang naman mag-research kung paano eh. Okay, sige. So, do you have a lot of time, no, to do research, no? Para makapag-research ka about affiliate marketing, how to do strategies and so on. Okay, marami ka bang time for it? Sabi mo, 1 to 2 hours lang kaya mo ulit. Diba? So, ngayon ganito. Si Martin, isa sa mga skills na meron dapat ng affiliate marketer. Ayan, copywriting skills, selling through written words. Yes. Si Jomar Alipuon. Okay. Si Coach Benny, sa JV ko nga, 2 to 3 visitors, 100 clicks to sales. Diba? Okay, so minsan, diba, ang daming traffic yung taong bumisita, no, sa website, pero wow, kukunti lang sila na bumili na purchase. So, kailangan kasi alam natin how to talagang ikaw is knowledgeable. So, kami nila Coach Benny, no, sila Martin, Paul, and so on, we know how to drive traffic na. Pero minsan, talagang darating ka sa point na bakit ito lang yung sales? Okay? Mga tipong ganun. So, kailangan kasi, before you indulge sa isang negosyo or sa isang business, no, you have the knowledge na. Okay, so ganito guys. So for those of you, okay, diba? Again, kung gusto nyo maging affiliate marketer, hindi ko kayo pinipigil na mag-apply kayo kay Lazada for free. Okay, hindi ko kayo pinipigil. Sige, if you want to apply as an affiliate kay Lazada, kay Amazon, kay Udemy, kay Amazon, okay, what else pa? Sa napakarami pang free platforms na yan, okay, sige lang, go on. You may apply as an affiliate. But, kailangan i-consider nyo na meron kayong knowledge na or foundation. Kasi it's very important sa isang negosyo na meron kayong foundation. Okay? And it's a good thing that nakuha ko yon. Kanino? Okay? Nakuha ko yung knowledge na yon, yung learnings na yon, yung education na yon sa platform ni Unity Network. Okay? So, yung iba kasi karamihan tanong nila, ano ba kasi yung product ng Unity Network? They are offering affiliate program also, di ba? Yes. Our company is offering also an affiliate program. Okay? Pero different scenario. Diba? May affiliate program pero may enrollment. It's because ang product po ni Unity Network is a training product or informational products po ito. Okay? Ano yung training product na yan? Ano yung tuturo niyan? Ano yung mga products na yan? Okay? So, ito, tuturuan ka how to do business, how to market online, how to find yung mga talagang patok ng mga niches nowadays. And also, kung gusto mo nga maging affiliate, pwede kang mag-practice, pwede mong simulan kay Unity Network. Okay? Para ma-educate ka as well kung paano paggagawin ang pagpapromote, paano paggagawin ang pag-advertise, paano ba ang paggagawin sa driving traffic na to, ano ba yung mga necessary tools, softwares na kakailangan ko later on para maging affiliate ng mga different companies na to and so on. Okay, para maging successful ako sa affiliate marketing. Well, anyway kasi, for FYI, affiliate marketing is life po talaga. Okay? It's very easy, no? Kumaga, it's easy na magkaroon ka ng negosyo kasi nga, di ba, you have no capital, sabi mo. Okay? Pero, I'm telling you right now na pwede ka mag-business kahit nasa bahay ka, kahit hindi ka maglabas ng pera. Okay? You can earn additional income. Diba? But, syempre, kailangan mo nito. Kailangan mo ng foundation. Parang bahay nga lang, diba? Hindi ka naman makatayo ng bahay agad right away na wala kang pundasyon. So, kailangan mo ng knowledge. So, mag-invest ka first. Okay? This is just a recommendation. No? This is just a recommendation. This is just a suggestion and so on. No? So, i-invest mo muna, mag-invest ka muna for your knowledge, for yourself first. No? Okay, before ka pumasok sa mga platforms na ito. Kasi, baka ma-disappoint ka later on. Kaya pala, free. Kasi ang hirap naman. Okay? Well, in fact, kapag ikaw is knowledgeable na and you know how to do na the business, ang dali lang pala. Okay? So, it's all about strategies lang. It's all about what tools you're going to use and so on. Okay? Yun lang yung mga kailangan doon. So, ngayon, kung ikaw is very, very interested na matuto on how to do business online, you want to become an affiliate of different platforms, no? Yung Lazada na yan, Amazon na yan, I suggest and I highly recommend. Now, what company? Of course, hindi ko binobrought up si Unity Network, no? Pero dahil ako is part of Unity Network, it's not like that. But I am very, kumaga, ando na yung trust ko kay Unity Network is because it helped me. Okay? And right now, I'm sharing to you kung ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari sa'yo later on. Okay? Kapag ikaw is naging enrolled as student of Unity Network as well. Okay? Kasi ako, ganun na nangyari sa akin eh. I've been there, done that. I've enrolled to Unity Network because I want to have an additional source of income. Di ba nga? Resigned ako year 2016, August. Can you imagine that? And I became a student of Unity Network May 2017. Okay? I became an affiliate of Lazada naman month of August, I think. Okay, month of August. Okay, so ando na ako, may knowledge na ako. And kung hindi ko alam, no? Kung hindi ko nalaman 'yon kay Unity Network, how to do marketing, ano yung mga different strategies na to, ano yung mga tools na kakailanganin mo later on if you want na talagang maging wide yung knowledge mo pa, madami ka maging source of income, no, na nasa bahay ka, even gadget, no, na meron ka cellphone lang and so on, no. Baka wala akong Lazada, baka wala akong Amazon, baka hindi rin ako nag-earn ng commissions from promoting, no, tools, products, and services of Unity Network as well. Okay? So, I highly recommend kung ang hanap mo is matuto ka ng ways on how to do affiliate marketing, no, in different platforms, you may enroll in our training program in Unity Network. Okay? We have 10 subs training videos. Okay, so dyan, malalaman mo yung different niches, okay, ano ba yung mga 5 key elements of a business, no, ano yung mga kailangan mo na isaalang-alang kapag papasok ka talaga sa isang negosyo, what else pa, okay, of course, tuturuan ka yung very mga must-haves, no, sa isang negosyo na gusto mong pasukin. And of course, once done ka na dyan, we also have a one-on-one coaching. No, meron tayong tinatawag na one-on-one coaching. So, hindi ito yung group coaching. Okay? So, once enrolled ka as a student, meron na tayo na system default coach na naka-assign sa'yo. So, for example, si Nick, no, na bigla siya nag-enroll and then a student na siya of Unity Network. Right there and then, meron na naka-system default na naka-assign sa kanya. Okay? Meron ng assigned business coach na nasa kanya. Okay? So, yung coach na yun yung ma-encounter niya during ng one-on-one coaching niya. And ginaganap po yung one-on-one coaching na yun via FB, video call, or via Zoom, via Skype, and so on. Mga video call apps, no? So, kung anong app yung available to you. So, i-guide ka, okay? Coaches like me, we are guiding you step by step on what to do. Okay? So, gina-guide ka namin how to achieve your goals also, paano ma-achieve yung income mo, and so on. Okay? So, dito also, after one-on-one coaching, of course, yung enrollment na ibibigay mo dito sa amin is meron ka na ma-access na 30 traffic implementation program. Ano ba yung 30 implementation program? So, kanina nabanggit ko yung driving traffic, di ba? So, dito, yung implementation na yan, tuturuan ka ng different strategies on how to market. Paano ka makakapagpapunta ng mga tao na bibisita dun sa website. Okay? So, yun yung mga kulang, no, ng ibang affiliate marketers. Okay? So, wala kasi sila ng knowledge na yon. Okay? So, it's very important. Again, it's a foundation. Kailangan may foundation ka kapag magsisimula ka ng negosyo. Okay? So, we have 30 traffic implementation program. Okay, that you can implement day by day. Okay, susundan mo na lang yan, yung pinaka-blueprint, okay, yung model mo in doing business. Okay, so madali lang siya actually. So kahit cellphone lang yung gamit mo, you can do this business. Basta, no, you have internet connection. Kasi kung wala ka internet connection, okay, mahirap yon. Okay? Or ganito, kung wala ka naman internet connection, pwede ka naman mag-data. Wag lang po yung free data. Okay? Wag free data. Or yung iba naman, yung mga luma na naming students, no, when they've started in affiliate marketing, no, sa pagiging affiliate of Unity Network, they are, what happened? Nag-invest lang sila ng time, di ba? You can at least allot 1 to 2 hours daily. So yung iba pumupunta ng computer shop, and then ginagawa nila yung business, okay? So, again, sa pagnenegosyo naman, kailangan resourceful ka, okay? Ngayon, kung ikaw is nasa isip mo, hindi ko na kailangan mag-training. Okay? I have the knowledge. I have what it takes para maging, magkaroon ng business na ganito. Mag-enroll na lang ako, mag-apply na lang ako sa mga free platforms like Lazada, Amazon. And then it's up to you. Nasa sayo naman yun kung ano yung decision mo. But then again, it's very important na meron kang knowledge, okay, before ka pumasok sa mga affiliate marketing programs. Okay, so I highly recommend na mag-enroll kayo, no, sa training program na meron kay Unity Network. Okay, so if you have questions and kung paano kayo mag-start dito and so on, you may message me or yung mga kakilala na ninyo na nakausap na ninyo right there before pa noon pa. Okay, so pwedeng i-contact nyo sila and then we will help you and step by step now we will guide you on how to enroll. Okay, sa training program namin. Okay, and later I'm telling you, kayo rin yung magbe-benefit. Okay, kasi ako, nag-benefit ako doon. Kasi like, siguro kung hindi ako naging affiliate of Inti Network, of course, no? Baka bumalik ako sa 12 hours duty sa hospital, sa isang private hospital wherein kumikita ako ng 300 or not 300, 150 no, per day. Okay, so can you imagine that? Baka pinatos ko na at talagang bumalik ako sa sirkulasyon ng buhay. Okay. So, ayun lang. So, very thankful for having that knowledge. No? And nowadays, look, okay, siguro mapapansin niyo bakit yung mga dating affiliate no, ng Unity Network, they have different programs na, they have coaching programs na, ang dami na nilang ibang mga pinopromote. Okay? Dahil kanina yon, it's because dahil kay Unity Network yon. Okay? So, yun naman yung aim ng company, okay? To produce entrepreneurs along the way. No? Yung magkaroon na ng sariling product nila, sariling negosyo na talaga nila. Okay? That na talagang kanila, brand nila. Okay? So, we are helping, we are educating, and we help no, na talaga makapag-transform ng lives. Okay? So, kung hindi lang naman income yung kaya namin i-offer sa inyo dito or pwede ninyong makuha, no? Once naging student kayo of Inti Network, hindi lang din knowledge. Okay? We offer transformations in life as well. Okay? You want to go home na, huh? As soon as possible, then educate yourself. Okay? Yun lang yung kulang minsan eh. Sipag, tiyaga, pero walang strategy, wala rin ng knowledge. So, ano nangyari? Stuck. Okay? Ako nga, may kakilala ko eh. No? Personally. Okay? Yung magtataho dito sa amin. Okay? Biruin mo, bata pa lang ako. As in, batang-bata pa lang ako. Grade 1 siguro. And imagine, ako is 29 na this coming secret. Okay? So, 29 na ako this coming, no? Okay? So, imagine, grade 1 pa lang ako, nagtataho na siya. Okay? Pero, ngayon nakikita ko pa rin siya, sumisigaw pa rin ng taho. Okay? Consistent. Okay? So, what's lacking? Ando na tayo, masipag siya, matyaga siya, and all. Pero ano yung nagkulang sa kanya? Wala yung knowledge. Siguro nagkaroon siya ng strategies, yes. Pero, ang kulang lagi at nauiiwanan is knowledge. Kasi kung may knowledge siya, would you think tatagal siya na magtataho pa rin siya? Ako, grade 1 pa lang ako, magtataho na siya. And right there and then, ngayon, magtataho pa rin siya. Okay? May papayag ba na gano'n? Of course, wala. Okay? So, kailangan tulungan natin also yung sarili natin. Educate ourselves, no? Tulungan natin na i-educate natin yung sarili natin. Kasi it's for your own good later on. It's very important nowadays that you will have a business din naman or additional source of income. You've got to invest, di ba? So, ikaw, for example, you are working or you are earning money na, okay? Yung mga na-earn mo na yan, yung mga nahahawakan mong perang yan, it's time for you to reinvest it. I-invest mo yan, be it na sa knowledge mo, i-invest mo yan, okay, sa insurance mo, i-invest mo yan sa pagbe-business. Okay? Para, hindi lang siya, sabihin natin save ka na save, pero nasa bangko lang, pero you are not using your money. Okay? You're not helping it to grow. Sabihin natin, mag-grow siya, pero after mga ilang years, 3,000 na natagdag. What? Okay, so, i-reinvest mo yung money mo. Okay? Make it grow. Okay? Magkaroon ka na additional source of income. So, help yourself, educate yourself. And if you want something to happen in your life, start now. Okay? Habang maaga pa, habang bata ka pa, start now. It's best to start early, no? Kesa yung darating ang panahon na, ay, sana pala, sinimulan ko pa noon. Okay? Sinimulan ko na noon pa lang. Okay? Kasi dumating ka sa point na gano'n na what if ginawa ko na, what if nag-start ako, what if, okay? Para mawala yung what if mo. And hindi mo rin naman malalaman that a business will work out or it will help you along the way kung hindi mo itatry at sisimulan. Okay? Di ba? Sabi ko nga lagi sa inyo, do something today that your future self will thank you for. Pero kung wala kang ginawa ngayon, at laging bukas na lang, next month na lang, next year na lang, okay? Tingnan natin. Okay? So, yun lang, no, for today. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng learnings, no. So, may mga free platforms tayo. If talagang kayo is walang-wala, okay, walang-wala and you want to start a business or you want to earn, no, kahit mga tiny little commissions, no, tiny commissions, no, you can apply as an affiliate, no, o sa mga free platforms na nabanggit ko. Lazada, Amazon, Udemy, Clickbank, and so on, JBZoo. Madami. Okay, na pwede kayo makapag-enroll or apply as an affiliate. Pero again, yun nga, no, nire-remind ko kayo na once nag-apply kayo as an affiliate dun sa mga companies na yan, kailangan, meron na kayo nito. May knowledge kayo. Kasi later on, baka ma-overwhelm kayo. Ay, ang dami. Paano ba to? Hindi ako techie. Ayan. So, hindi ako techie. Paano ko gagawin? Copy and paste daw. Okay, yun na. Okay, so kay Tinetwork kasi, merong step-by-step guide, may tutorial also on how to do it. And ngayon, syempre, once alam mo na paano gawin, paano yung flow ng pagiging affiliate marketer, pwede ka na also mag-enroll or mag-apply sa mga different free platforms na yan. Okay? So, yun lang, that's it. So again, I'm Coach Eliza Presno, also known as Coach A. So kung may concerns kayo or you want to get started to become a student of Finti Network and you want to inquire, no, on how to join in this company or to enroll as a student nga, you may send me a message. Okay, so I'm just one click away. No, one click away lang. Or pwede niyong balikan, kausapin yung mga nakausap niyo na noon. Okay, or yung mga pakita na sa inyo nung program last time. Okay? Ayan, sabi ni Coach Benny, you need to start somewhere. Invest in training. Di ba? Kasi it will help you grow eh. And if you are not growing, ano nangyayari if you're not growing? You are decaying. No? Gusto niyo ba? Mabulok na lang. Okay? So, you need to grow. No? Invest in your knowledge to grow. You need it. Okay? And kayo rin naman na magbe-benefit later on. Hello kay Peter Joe Dizon, kay Coach Clarence Jackie, kay Coach Clarence, kay Ramil Garino Buza. Ayan, si Nick, sige lang, you may share this. It's okay. Si Lito Luzano, hello din sa'yo. Okay. Sige, yun lang. May mga questions ba before we end this FB Live? I hope, no, na kahit pa paano in this FB Live, may natutunan kayo. And again, sa question ko or sa topic ko, I want to have an additional source of income. Is it possible to have a business at magawa ito na nasa bahay lang? Yes. Okay. You can do a business. You can have a business even ikaw is nasa bahay lang. Okay? Sige. So, mga late na nakapasok sa FB Live na to, you may watch the FB Live replay of this FB Live. And feel free lang to comment in this FB Live na kung nanonood ka right now at replay mo na to mapanood. Mag-comment ka lang dyan kung saan ka nanood and ayun, I will reply then also sa'yo. Kung may questions ka naman or clarifications right now, okay, I will give at least 5 minutes more before we end this FB Live. If you have questions, sige. May mga watching ba right now na may questions, okay, or concerns, sabihin natin concerns, clarifications regarding sa pagbe-business and so on, okay, feel free to comment in this FB Live and I will try to answer your question. Sige. May mga questions ba tayo before we end this FB Live? Or may mga violent reactions ba kayo dun sa mga na-discuss ko kanina? Okay? Don't forget yung mga sinabi ko na dapat nyo i-consider, no? Kapag kayo is papasok sa negosyo. Okay? Yung commitment nyo, okay, what else pa? Okay? Yung mga legalities ng isang negosyo, and more. May mga questions ba? Questions? Okay, balik ako sa mga messages dito. Hello kay Edson Labaco. Ayan. Di ba? Ayan, so i-mention ko lang din also, no, kapag free platform, yun nga, no, katulad ng nabanggit also ni Lodi Martin, no, kapag free platform, of course, kahit free yan, kailangan may gadget ka, kailangan may cellphone ka or laptop that you can use or internet connection. Okay? Kasi kapag papasok ka sa isang affiliate marketing business, it's very important na meron kanyang mga yan. Kasi yun yung pinaka-tools mo. Yun ang sandata mo in business. Kung wala kang laptop, wala kang cellphone, okay, or ang cellphone lang ang meron ka, of course, you can do this business. Pero kung wala kang kahit cellphone man lang and pati internet connection wala ka, mahirapan ka. Okay? Ayun. So, I guess, wala nang question? Sige. So, till next FB Live, and thank you so much for staying with me, no, for 1 hour. Okay? Sige. So, kapag may concerns, clarifications, feel free to send me a message lang in my personal FB, dito sa FB ko. Okay? Sige. Thank you. Until next FB Live, again, invest in your knowledge to grow. Okay? So, start now. Start early. Hanggat bata ka pa't kaya mo. Hanggat nakakapag-generate ka pa ng income. If you have, you are still an employee, no, and you want something na magkaroon ka pa ng additional source of income, okay? Make it grow. Okay? Yun lang. Sige. So, educate yourself. Help yourself too. Okay? Yun. Sige. So, this is Coach Eliza Presno saying, do something today that your future self will thank you for. God bless. Have an awesome day, everyone. Thank you for watching this FB Live.